Okay guys, we've all seen tanks like this. Most people would toss it. This sucker's been soaking up Louisiana humidity probably since the 70s. We're gonna zap the rust off using electrolysis. These are the tools you need: a bucket or a tote, some water, some super washing soda, an old school battery charger or a battery, and an anode. And I'm using this ruined camshaft as my anode. Yes guys, that's it. No voodoo, just science. So again, washing soda, not baking soda, about a tablespoon per gallon. I'm gonna need about 5 tablespoons. And I'm gonna measure this like my grandmama used to measure all the stuff she put in her gumbo. Meaning you don't measure it, you just pour it in till it looks about enough. Just about right. That's the perfect amount. Right there. Because my grandmama always said, if a little works, a lot's gonna be good. Then I'm gonna add some water and stir it up. I need enough water that I can submerge the whole tank in it. Okay, that should be just enough. Now comes the science. I'm gonna hook the negative to the tank, get a good bite. And then I'm gonna hook the positive to my anode. Make sure it stays on. And you wanna make sure these don't come in contact. If you wanna know why, that's a different video. Just gonna lean it over on the side, and then we're gonna let it do its work. We'll start to see bubbles forming over here, and we'll check back in on it. Okay, it's been about an hour. You can start to see all the stuff forming, and it's cooking. If I had another anode over here, probably help out. Okay, here we are. It's been another hour. You can see we're getting a lot more slime over here. It's pulling it off. It's still working. We'll let it keep cooking. Okay, it's been probably four hours since we started, and I added another anode right there and another battery. Okay guys, this is the next morning. Let me just show you kind of what's doing. Lift up on, look at all the rust pulled off of this, and that's on that one. And then on this one, look at all that. It just came off of it. I'm gonna pull the tank out right now and rinse it, and then I'm gonna put it back in. So just gonna pop this off, and let's see what it looks like. Because I think, just see this, all this paint's gonna come off. And I wanted to do the whole tank because I knew the tank was rusty underneath this. So the inside of it looks perfect. Look at all this stuff just flaking off. Let's rinse it off and then we'll put it back in. I did it the way I'm doing it now, by submerging the whole tank in the electrolysis solution, because I knew I was going to have to sand the outside of this tank down. If I wanted to preserve the outside of the tank, I would use the tank as the container. Just put the solution in the tank and put the rod, the anode, in the tank. Make sure you're not hitting the edges, so that it just does the inside and it doesn't affect the outside. I wanted to do the whole thing so that I could get any of the rust off that was under this, And that's why it's pulling the paint off, because there was surface rust underneath and it's pulling it through the paint, which loosens it up. So now we're gonna go right back in, the same juice. I'm not changing it out because it still works. And then I'm just gonna hook it back up. But it is kind of amazing to see how much stuff comes off onto it. Okay guys, it's been another about 4 hours. Our rod, our anode is just completely covered. Look at this, completely covered. Leave that in there. Check this one too. This one, again, completely covered. It's just full. Let's check this guy out. Let's dump it out. Okay, let me strip off the remainder of the paint from the tank so that we can start getting it ready for paint. Just using this nylon brush. So it's wild. It's like they had a skim coat, a Bondo or something on it that failed. That's pretty crazy. A little sandpaper. Okay guys, I finished sanding it and let me show you what it looks like. It's got one ding in this whole tank. It's the only thing wrong with it. You look everywhere. Who would have thought that this is the same tank? You remember the worst CL90 ever? That's the tank. That crackly bit there was a skim coat, a body filler over the whole thing. It must have been repainted a different color, maybe from the silver. It was originally silver. And they put a skim coat of body filler over the whole thing, which made it not so fun. Look, you can tell by how dirty I am. To sand. Lots of sanding. But this sucker is awesome. Now, good wipe down, and then we put a coat of primer on it, and then we get ready to put some color on it. Okay, I got the tank inside, and don't tell my wife that I'm inside doing this stuff. Just help me out. Just don't tell her. But it has one little dent right here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It's just a little ding. I'm gonna try some PDR on it just because I just sanded down all the body filler. I don't really want to put more on it. And if I can get it out with the PDR, then we'll do that. So I've got the PDR kit right there. This guy. And then I have my knee pads that are, this one's busted. So I'm gonna clean them up first and see if I can get them good and clean, let them dry. And then I'm gonna use some of this E6000 flexible, paintable, transparent little glue to see if I can get that to stick in right like that. I'll probably have to heat it up. Okay, got some Dawn dishwashing liquid because why? Because if it's safe enough for the ducks, it's safe enough for this. And then just an old scrubber. And we're gonna clean both sides of it. Again, hopefully I can get this done, all this done and cleaned up before she gets home. I mean, I could buy new knee pads, but I could also just repair this one. And then I'm gonna clean the back sides too. I don't want to clean it up really good just because I'm gonna have to glue it. So one of the other reasons why I really wanted to clean this was because I was using my wife's Tupperware to put some hot water in it. Oh, gotta go. Okay, we have this one little dent that we have to try to get out. Let's see if this will work. And yes, I did get busted Carrie came in, caught me red-handed. Had to talk my way out of it. Let's let that cool, then we'll pop it off. Just trying to tap down any little bit that I have here. Hopefully relieve some of that pressure holding that in. Yeah, it looks like it got some of it out. Let's try another one. This is just slow and steady wins this. Glue, cool, pop, peel. Glue, cool, pop, peel. Race that we're on. That guy right. Oop, 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 right. Boy, that's getting better. We still have, if you can see down this line, it's getting, still has a little wave right in there, but that is way better. Yep. Yeah, it's getting it. Boy, we are close. Just a little. Oh, yes. It's just tedious because it's the same thing over and over. You squirt this on, you put it on, you let it dry, you let it cool. While it's cooling, you're pulling the glue off the other one, and then you do it all over again. So what I mean by getting this hot glue off, this is a remover, release agent is what it's called. So you just put it around. All this comes in the kit. You just put it around and then you peel it off. So then you just take and peel it. When it starts to peel off, then you got to put some more in so it'll come off. So you just have to do this, you know, a couple thousand times. Now we're ready to do it again. Oh, we are so close. And you just keep going down in size till you get it all out. The good thing is that this line right here down the tank is straight. It used to have a little wave in it. So we still have a little bit left right there. It's so shallow. But let's try a couple more times. Let's try this. Let me see if I can do it. Come on. Gotta still get that. It's so tiny. If this was painted, I don't even think you'd see it. It's so tiny. Okay, I just wanted to get a little piece of sandpaper just to see if I can take off some of this. The round little ring from the glue is kind of throwing me off. That is almost there. just a very little bit. See if I can get it. See how you can barely see it? It's right there. I bet if I get a little bit on this side. Let's see. Yeah, let's try one more time, right? Okay, while this guy is cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can repair this while I'm at it. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this guy together. I heated it up really good, then I just clamped it with this clip just to get it to hold its shape a little bit more. And so I wanna tape it on the outside to try to get that to hold in exactly where it goes, and then I'll tape it and then I'll glue it from the inside. See if we can. Now we're going to take our sealant, our glue E6000. I want to try to avoid the edges right here. I don't want to glue those down. So I want to just kind of get this middle really good and this outside really good. Maybe we'll go a little bit more right here. I've got it held together on the outside, but I am going to flex it just a little bit, just so I can get the glue in the gap. Right in there, just like that. And we're going to let it dry. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll hold it together. Okay, let's pop this guy off. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this off. Letting them cool really gets it to stick a little bit better. Boy, I think we have it. I think we may have. Sandpaper went. Did we get it? I think we may have got it. I think I may be a little high right there. Did we get it? I'm trying to see it. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we got it. I mean, That's good enough for me. Yeah, by George. That's pretty freaking awesome. We done it. It's pretty good. Slow and steady wins the race. I mean, it may have a little wave to it. Guys, I'm pretty happy with this. Well, let me just rephrase that. I'm really happy about this. We took this tank. Do you guys remember what this thing used to look like? We've de-rusted it, removed the paint, repaired dents, and now it's ready for paint, primer and paint. Let's be honest. It was a piece of trash tank. It was. We didn't expect it. We didn't expect it to look like an NOS tank that has some shelf wear, right? It's dent free now. Dent free, rust free. It's ready to go. I didn't expect it to look like that when we got started. I definitely was not expecting this. Remember, I was unsure that it would hold fuel because it was so rusty. Yeah, I didn't expect this. Look at this thing. Come on. This thing is amazing. So, and we took some time with some PDR. It takes a while, but I'm more than happy that we did it. Do I have? I did. You didn't tell me I had stuff on my face. Come on, man. You guys didn't tell me I had stuff on my face. There. How long has that been there? You guys comment down below how long it's been there. So guys, we took a crappy Honda CL90 tank, little elbow grease, little science, little electrolysis, and just some old-fashioned elbow grease, time, energy, and effort, and we now have this wonderful tank that once we prime it and paint it is going to be amazing. So super excited about that. This thing is going to be great. I can't wait to put this tank on the Honda CL90. It is going to look so good, especially if we can save that blue paint. Guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And have a great day. Oh, and guys, remember, it's May, so that means we drop a brand new video every single day in the month of May at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you tomorrow.